Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we will be discussing QuadTree. If you remember my previous video, we have discussed about Geohash. In this video, we have discussed about Geohash, and the problems here were like if there's there's not enough places or people in a specific hash, maybe like 0 1 1 1. So how we can search in neighboring hashes? So what we said that we will be doing it by prefix match. But in that case, places in this 0 0 area will not come in the prefix match because it has different prefix. Okay. So how should we solve these kind of problem? We can solve it using quadtree, and we will study what quadtree is and how we can use it. So mostly quadtrees are used while you let's suppose you must have all everyone have open Google Map, and any point of time you must have searched like restaurants near me or salons near me, any places near me, for example. So it give you places around you, matching places, and if you zoom you can see more places also. Okay, so like that, how can someone get to know what places are around them? So what we can do here is, with the help of chord tree, so this is the earth's globe. It is what it looks like. So as you said that we will see this in a horizontal space. Let's suppose this is the world map, and the red circles here are the places which are in the map which we are searching. Okay, so if you can see, if we will be using geohash and we divide places here like this. Okay, so how we can see that what all places are like in, if I am in this region, there's only one place. Okay, and if I am in this region, there are five places. So how someone can get to know the definite number of places? I mean, I don't want to give more over information also, because if in this I'm in this particular full region and there's on five places, but what if I'm at this place, this position? So this position, I mean, there's only one place here. So I will be more interested in this place only. Okay, so what we can do here is we can create a tree. Okay, so how we can create, in geohash we were dividing the places based on the number of ranges which we wanted. Like we want range of 1 kilometer only, so we'll divide in that many parts. But in quadtree, what we do is we divide based on the places inside that area. Like if we keep the threshold here as 3, that in one uh, uh, in one area there will be only maximum 3 places can be kept. So let's suppose the threshold value here is 3. So what will happen is, we'll divide it into 4 and we'll see that this place has 3, this has 2, which is less than threshold. Okay, first one is equal to 3, which is again okay. This one is has 1, so which is less than equal to 3, that is also okay. But what if this place it has 5, so it has more places than a threshold? So what we'll do here is we will again divide it. So now we have just divided this part into 4. So we can see that this place has 3, this has 1, this has 1, this has 0, so which is okay. So like this, we can keep on dividing it until and unless we get the number of we get reach the threshold value. So if someone is in this area, so we can show them that these are the places which are near you, and there are 3 places. And someone is in right side, so we'll see that in which part of the right it is. So in this one, so we'll only show it one. Okay, so like this, a tree is formed. Like there were, let's suppose there were 11 places total. Okay, so now we've divided into 4, and see this 5 has more than 3. So again, we divided it in 4 regions. So like this, we can create chord tree based on the threshold values. Okay, and whenever we want to, and we can, we can save the path that this can have the locations, uh, pointers of locations where we can have uh, the exact name of that location. Okay, so like this we can have, or we can say that we can create tables. Uh, there's multiple way to do it. Like if we create a table here and name it as location table, or let's suppose that we are having locations of restaurant, so it will always have this ID, name, and other details. We can have the path of this area, like if this location in is in this QuadTree, QuadTree node, so we can have reference of this node. We can have this node ID here, and we can keep on updating these node IDs at after certain period of time. Like maybe there can be chances that new places being added. So we'll run a cron maybe in every 15 days to refetch all the data and create a call tree based on that. Okay, so like this, we can have save node IDs. So based on that, if we see any person saying places near me, so we'll try to fetch at which location it is and what node it will be considered at. That lat and long will come in which node, and based on that, we'll fetch the locations. So we can just see that location at this particular node ID, and we'll fetch all that location, and we'll give it back to the client. So like this, we can create different nodes, and if we want to have different, different threshold, we can have create different quarters for different threshold based on a requirement, and then we can save that node IDs also. Yeah, so I think that's it from QuadTree. I hope you understand difference between QuadTree and Geohash. Geohash is more specific on the location, or you can say the distance around it based on the radius. But QuadTree is more of the places in that particular radius. Okay, so if we are more specified, we are more keen to know the places around me. And in Geohash, we are more keen to know I want to know the places around me at that particular location only. I'm not interested that if there's no one, it is okay for me. Like in Uber, if there's no rider around my area, then Uber will show you now that there's no rider there. But if I'm searching for some places around me, like restaurants or salons, it will be okay for me. If something is not near me, I can go further far because I need that place. So in that cases, quarterly is very useful. So I think the difference and the advantages and disadvantages are clear. Yeah, to you. So yeah, I think do let me know how did you like this video, and keep supporting me. Please comment down if you want me to create a video on any specific topic. Then yeah.